I do. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
Okay, I want a really good, wholesome woojoo from you right now.
Okay, how much you pay?
For the Kilmies. Wait, I have to pay for it?
Yeah.
I'll pay you $1.
Sorry, my rates are a bit higher than that. Yo, how the fuck do you dodge this shit, man?
Shit! Oh!
Ow!
Dozo. All yours.
Okay.
Oh, can you shoot through here?
Yeah.
Damn it. No! We got a game over.
It's okay. We always have more tries in us, right, Kyo? We're positive, and I believe we can do this.
I don't sound like that.
Okay, every time I try to be positive, he shoots me down. See, this is why I'm negative. Renzoto rejects Kyo's positivity.
I was just saying I didn't sound like that.
I believe this.
I like the positive attitude, okay?
No, this is so fucked up. I was really trying my hardest. I had to even like, you know, I channeled your energy and then you shot me down.
Yo, dance with me. Fuck.
I'm not dancing after you blatantly disrespected my positivity.
Dance with me, Kyo. Come on.
My contributions to this positive atmosphere are being ignored. Therefore, I don't care. Okay, well, I'm dead. Fuck. You almost died too.
No.
It's so hard with the
Your power up.
Oh my god. Okay, you take it.
Me?
No, no, you take it. No, no, I'm gonna die with this shit, man. It's gonna be useless.
I don't want it. I don't want it. No. No. It's yours. Yeah, let's go.
Enough for both of us to get it. Wait, you can hit it too. Look, we can match.
Wait, we can match? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah,
Let's
that's
go.
how you convince Ren to take an OP power up, you know? Say some shit like we can match.
Let's go. Let's fly.
I thought that was you for a second.
Oh. We have so many cat bells. So don't even worry if you lose your power up like you just did. Because look at this. Boop. All yours. Oh, I'll bring it to you. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't wait up. Here you go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Fuck the snow, fuck the snow, fuck the snow.
I mean, it's a start, I guess.
I want to drive to the grocery.
Oh, yeah?
But the roads are very icy. And I don't feel like spinning off and dying.
Ready?
Wait, why?
Well, because you could fly. Ready?
Oh,
go!
Okay, yeah.
Huh. Oh, I only got 800.
Damn. You suck. even though
I helped you, bitch. What the heck?
Even though I only got up there because of you, skill diff. Skill diff, man. Skill issue, man. I cannot believe
this
you got
shit right now.
You got skill issued in your own stream, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah. I'm. You know what? I'm happy for you. Look at you. That crown really suits you. I should just do all the sounds in this game. You know what? I'm gonna do that from now on.
What the fuck, Nintendo? Just mute this shit.
Just mute.
We both mute our audio and we both do the sound.
Okay, let's do it then. Hang on. Let's go to the next level. All right.
Woo! Ding.
My crown!
Oh shit, what the fuck? Why are you bringing that to me?
Oh shit.
Boom.
Oh! Dun 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 dun. Boom. That's my death sound. Okay, Kyo, you do the sound effects. I'm gonna concentrate.
Okay.
Take that. Oh god! You sound like a dog that's growling. Someone could remix this into a song. Luigi #1. Oh fuck. Okay, ready? Let's go.
Yep.
Huh.
Dun, 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 dun.